Hi, I'm Fabio Mineto from Fergia Automobili Customer Service. Fergia Service Workshop is taking care of your ordinary vehicle maintenance and its carryover warranty repair. We are glad to help you through everything for your car. Don't hesitate to contact us on the below link. We thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.